In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste text in Canva while keeping your design consistent. If you're working on a multi-page design in Canva, there are times when you'll want to reuse the same text on different pages instead of creating it again from scratch. This is a simple way to save time, maintain a consistent look, and make your workflow much smoother. Start by opening your Canva design and selecting the text box you want to reuse. Make sure you click directly on the text element, so Canva knows exactly which item you want to copy. This is especially helpful if your page contains multiple layers, images, or other design elements close together. Once the text box is selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy the text. This tells Canva to store that selected text element so you can place it somewhere else in your design. If you're using a Mac, you would typically use Command and C instead, but the basic process is the same. Next, go to the page where you want to add that text. You can scroll through your design or click directly to the target page, depending on how your Canva project is arranged. Before pasting, take a quick moment to make sure you're on the correct page so you don't accidentally place the text in the wrong spot. Then press Ctrl and V to paste the text. Canva will insert a copied version of the text box, usually with the same content, formatting, and appearance as the original. This is useful when you want your headings, labels, or recurring text sections to stay visually uniform across several pages. You can repeat this process on other pages as needed. Just copy the text once and paste it anywhere else in your design where the same element is required. This is a great technique for presentations, workbooks, social media carousels, and any layout where repeated text helps keep the design organized and professional. If you want to keep the exact same position and style, you can use copy style or duplicate the entire page. That can be even more efficient when the placement matters just as much as the wording. Duplicating a page is especially helpful when you're building a sequence of pages with nearly identical layouts and only a few changes between them. That's it. Using copy and paste in Canva is one of the easiest ways to work faster while keeping your design clean, consistent, and polished.